Hello everyone. Here you can see a picture of bright sunny day where cricket tournament is going on. But do you know in this single drawing sheet there are so many geometrical areas used. Firstly, this drawing sheet is actually a plane, not the aeroplane. Here, plane is a building block of geometry. So, first we will see what are the different building blocks of geometry. The first building block of geometry is plane, second is point, third is line segment, fourth is line, and the last is ray. The chapter which we are going to do today is line segment, ray, and line. A solid has a surface which may be flat or curved. For a flat surface, you can take example as this textbook. For curved surface, you can get an example like this pen. These are curved. This is a curved surface. For flat surface, you can take other example like the walls of your room, mobile screen, laptop, the top of a table are all flat surface. So the flat surfaces are known as plane. So here you can see a picture of a plane figure. A plane has no boundary. A plane can extend endlessly in all the directions. Here you can see the plane figure is extended in all the directions. The surface of a smooth wall, the surface of a top of a table are all example of a plane. Here you can see a picture of a table. The top of a table is an example of a plane as it can extend it in all the directions. Our next topic is point. A point is a mark of position. If you just have to show anything to your friend on your notebook, you just show them the position by a single point. So that point is a mark of position. A point has no length, breadth or thickness. A small dot on a plain paper represents a point dot A. You can use your pencil or pen to just mark a dot on a plain paper. Let's take an example. Like you can see here, you can see that if in your Google map you search for any place, like I've searched for NMLKPS, it will show you this mark as an exact location. So Google Map uses this symbol to show the exact point. Now our next topic is line segment. If A and B are 2 points on a plane, let's take 2 points, say A and B. Then the straight part joining from A to B. So for that we have to join A and B. It's joined. So now this straight part which is joined from A to B is called the line segment AB. A line segment has a definite length. Definite length means you can use your scale to measure the length of any, you can measure the line segment of any of the figure. Line segment AB is denoted as AB and a small dash on the top. The line segment AB can be also written as BA and a small dash on the top. Like for an example, here you can see here is your pencil and you can use your scale to measure the length of this pencil, which will come approx 10 centimeter. Now our next topic is line. A line segment extended endlessly on both sides. As you know that very well, that for line segment we have to take 2 points and just meet them. But you're just given that it is extended endlessly on both the directions. So let's make it extend to this direction and to this direction as well. Now it's extended on both the sides. So now this line segment has become a line. So here we are. Line AB is denoted as AB and a small dash with both side arrow, or BA with an arrow on the top. A line has no end point. As you know this very clearly, that it is extended endlessly. It means it doesn't get end. So it's not possible to just have any end points. Let's take an example. So here you can see there's a picture of a ground where the line is given which is extended on both the sides endlessly. So it's an example of a line. Block is a ray. A line segment extend endlessly in one direction is called a ray. Firstly, you all know very well that a ray, for a line segment we have 2 points which is joint. But now here for the ray we have to extend only from one direction. Now it's a ray. Ray AB is denoted as AB with a line and arrow from one side, and ray BA is represented as BA and a line with an arrow. Now just keep in mind that these two ray are different. If we are extending it from the B, we will write as AB and a arrow mark on the top, and if we extend it from the point A, it will be as BA. A ray has one end point, as from one side it is extended endlessly, so from there it's not possible to have any point, so we have left with only one point, that is A. Now here you can see the sun rays, which is an example of a ray.